back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm washing and organizing my fridge. So yeah, that's what we are going to do today. I bought some things on the market. And I just want to wash them and arrange them and sort them out and all that. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. And if you didn't watch my market video, I'll link it in the description box below, so you can go check it out. Like the video kama kawaida, share it, and yeah, you drop your comments on the comment section down below. So guys, if you're new to this channel, if you're watching for the first time, you're actually new to this channel, of course. Kindly please consider subscribing, like the video, comment on the comment section, tell me what you think about the video, what you think about my vlog so far and all that. So if you want me to do a certain type of video for you that I still haven't done before, just comment on the comment section and tell me. I'm open for suggestions. Yeah, so I think we're just going to start with washing whatever I bought and what needs to be washed, then organizing the fridge, of course throwing away things that are not wanted and all that. So yeah, let's just dive right into the video.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take nights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
So guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge and organizing it. It wasn't a lot of work because I don't have a lot of things there, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for sticking around till the end. It really means a lot to me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you still haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.